welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, it's been so long. How are you? Okay, I do not sound like that. Okay, this is actually my real voice. A lot of people think that just because I do douyin makeup, I have this really high-pitched voice. It's not the case. This is how I sound like. And I am going to start off this tutorial with doing my skin prep. You have to do skin prep and make sure that it's all nice and set. That's why I'm using this little fan to dry everything out, okay? I recommend you get one. And now I have to prep my eyes, but like please, you don't need to get like a primer per se. I always use like just a lighter shade of base, or like the lightest shade I can find. Oh, and don't forget to draw this like little cute heart, because it always puts me in such a good mood, and like I always get super excited about like the makeup look I'm gonna do, and I always think, oh my gosh, it's gonna be fine, except for when you drink water that has lemon in it and it's so gross. So yeah, that was my water break. But look at these really cute contact lenses. Oh my gosh, please don't forget to put contact lenses before you start your makeup, because it's gonna be really hard to put them in later on. After prepping your eyes, make sure that you get like a very cute highlighter. Like this is a highlighter I use. It's called Michelin and it's on Shein, but I don't know if you can get it in the Shein in your country, because Shein is different like everywhere, which is wild. Anyways, make sure that you use your own skin color when you do the douyin area. And if you want like a proper detailed tutorial of how I do this section, you just need to let me know down below. But today I want a very like subtle yet cute vibe. So I'm using a very light color. I'm going in with my brush and I'm just literally like tapping it, because I don't want it to be too heavy. I just want it to be super chilled, okay? It really helps like doing this lightly and also opening your eyes, because then you can actually see how this placement is. Because if you don't open your eyes, you'll just be like putting in, especially if you have hooded eyelids like me, I have to keep on opening my eyes. But I'm using lots of blues, pinks and purples for this look, okay? And I'm doing my eyeliner this way because I want my eyes to be much bigger, because this is like a very dramatic douyin look. I'm trying to kind of like make my eyes look bigger than they are, which is really crazy. Like you can do so many crazy things with makeup, like am I right? But eyeliner is basically very stressful if you don't do it slowly. You have to take your time with this, okay? Now I'm doing my lip combo. I want to show you like how you can do this really cute lip combo with just lipstick and lip gloss. It's super easy. It's all in the blending. This is the result, okay? Like I am really happy with it, because this whole process was just so easy and relaxing, because like this wig it didn't need like a lot to do. Like there wasn't a lot for me to do, honestly. I just put it on and it's so nice. Honestly, you need to get your wig like from Shein, Alice Garden. They have the best wigs. If you really love like these colors, they have such nice wigs, and honestly they work so well for me. Not sponsored, by the way. I'm not telling you to go take it. Like I'm just saying that you should go, because I'm not gatekeeping. Anyways, I love this look so much. Let me know what you like about it, because I think it's so simple and subtle but still dramatic, if you know what I'm trying to say. But let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this look. What other color should I try next? Like I think I should go for like a green vibe. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.